Hi, this is Dr. Kondrat, and many of you have now signed up for the continued care and are interested in getting your microcurrent machine reprogrammed online. So I just wanted to briefly go over how to set that up. Right now, you are seeing a broadcast from TeamViewer. You'll be getting a link and you'll see something very similar to this. You want to make sure that your microphone is hooked up so I can talk to you. The camera is optional, but of course I'd like to see you and also make sure that your speakers are correct. And there is a way that you can test that. Once I connect to you, I'm going to ask you for your computer ID. So what is that? Well, how do I find that? Well, here's the screen right here. There's actually two screens for TeamViewer. One screen is the video. You'll see either me and you might see both of us on there. The other screen is the control screen. And right here you can see remote control. You click remote control and right here is your ID. I'm going to ask you for your ID number. And then also I'm going to ask you for your password. Password's in all small case letter. Once I have those, I'll be able to connect to your computer and reprogram your machine. Also, you should have installed the InspirStar profile editor. And you can see this on the left-hand side of my screen. You're going to click that to open it. And here it is opening. There we go. And there's the editor right there. Then what I'm going to do is log on to your computer. I'm going to do a file transfer of your new profile. I'm going to upload this into the software and then load it into your machine. So the important steps are, number one, that you have loaded the InspirStar profile editor that Ning Wu will be sending you. You also have the cable handy, and you also have TeamViewer. We will send you a link for that. And then you become comfortable with the two screens. Now, let's say for some reason you can't see the screens. Dr. Kondrat, I just can't find the TeamViewer screen. Where's the number? Well, if you go down here, you see the TeamViewer icon at the bottom. And if you click it, you'll see two screens. This one is the meeting preview, and the other one right here is the remote control. So you would just click that, you'll see the remote control. I hope this makes sense to you. If you are uncomfortable with using the Windows computer and you do need a Windows computer, make sure you find somebody in your family that is more computer savvy, maybe a son or daughter or a grandchild, that they're able to work this. I think this is a wonderful way for us to make changes in your machine rather easily. The first time you do it, may be a little bit uncomfortable, but after a few sessions, it'll be as simple as brushing your teeth. Thank you very much. And this is Dr. Kondrat, and I look forward to seeing you online so we can make changes with your microcurrent machine. Thank you.